Dark Coffee Cup Custard Recipe, easy and delicious dessert. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing you a recipe that's not only delicious but also super easy to make dark coffee cup custard. It's the perfect dessert for any occasion, and it's sure to impress your friends and family. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups of milk, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of dark coffee, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Instructions. First, pour the milk into a saucepan and place it over medium heat. We want to heat the milk until it's warm but not boiling. While the milk is heating up, crack the eggs into a separate mixing bowl and whisk them together with the sugar until well combined. Once the milk is warm, add in the dark coffee and stir until it's fully dissolved. This will give our custard that rich coffee flavor. Now, it's time to temper the eggs. Slowly pour a little bit of the warm milk mixture into the eggs while whisking continuously. This will prevent the eggs from scrambling when we add them back into the saucepan. Once tempered, pour the egg mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk and cook over low heat, stirring constantly, until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Once the custard is thickened, remove it from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Now, all that's left to do is pour the custard into individual cups or ramekins and let them cool to room temperature. And there you have it, dark coffee cup custard. You can serve it as is or garnish it with a sprinkle of cocoa powder for some extra flavor. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this one. See you next time. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.